Arya is such a good team player. Let me use a little bit of her desk just temporarily. I want you to take a look at this. We're going to read it, and then I want someone to explain what this message is about. But we can't do it until we have everybody just like she is. Thank you for being in the front. You are a good example. All of you purple up. Now, let's first read it. Go ahead and can you read it for us?
If you fell down yesterday, stand up today.
If you fell down yesterday, stand up today. Thank you. Well said. You know what else I liked is the way you said it. You said it with some confidence. Said it loud enough. That's important.
Like in the teacher voice.
Like the teacher voice.
That's a good one.
Oh, I love it. Now, someone explain what they're talking about, because here's what it doesn't mean. Because yesterday, you know what, one time I fell down, and I didn't lay there for the rest of my life. I mean, nobody would do that, right? I mean, if you just, like, for the rest of your life, no, you wouldn't. What does it mean when you see something like this? Go ahead. What do you think it means? If you fell down yesterday, stand up today.
Stand up and be brave.
Stand up and be brave. Ooh, I like the word brave. Very good. I hadn't thought of that word. That fits very well. Stand up and be brave. If you fell down yesterday.
Yesterday I actually just fell down.
Oh, ouch. Is that what you're going to say, or are you going to talk about this? That looks like it hurts. What does this mean? Go ahead.
It's like kind of like NGU, because you might have kind of given up, but then you figured out that it's a lady person.
Oh, that's probably exactly what it is. If you fell down would be like if you made a mistake. If you fell down, in other words, if something bad happened to you, what are you going to do? Are you just going to lay there?
No, get up. Get up.
You're going to get up.
Get up and stay brave.
And you're going to be brave. And are you going to try again?
Yes.
Yes, you're going to try again. You're not going to give up. So that's very, 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 very good.
Never give
I bet
up.
you didn't lay there very long when you fell down, did you?
No, I just stayed back up.
You just stood
I
right.
found this one.
Did you?
Cola.
I fell down yesterday.
Okay, guys. Now, hold on. Hold on to your questions. You put your hand down. Because this is something, and I wanted to talk about if you fall down, stand back up
Quickly before
today. Because, guys, I don't know of another second grade anywhere in the land that is faced with a challenge like this. And I think you guys have it in you. Now, if you will listen to me for the next 3 minutes, they are the most important 3 minutes of my time here. Here it is. Are you ready? You with me? First of all, they talk about pixels in here. You're going to be drawing things. I want you to know the word pixels. You'll see that word quite often. Here's what pixels are. Pixels are just tiny little squares. And so if you see something like this that says move forward 100 pixels, that's the same thing as saying move how many little squares? How many little squares? 100. And so if you have 100 little squares, that makes a line. Who said line?
Me.
You're right with me. I appreciate that. It would make a line.
Line.
So here it is. Check this. When you run it, it's going to move forward.
by
Can you
100 pixels.
Yep. Can you see this person?
Yes. Sort of.
That is going to be. Whoops.
Right.
That's going to be 100 pixels. Now, that's half of what we talked about. Here's the second half of what we talked about, Aryam. Check this out. We have to figure out something that we haven't done before. You know what we have done before? We've had arrows that have gone like this, and then they've gone like this, and then they've gone like this. But we're going to talk about degrees. Degrees. And so, if you go from here and then turn this direction, that is what's called a 90 degree turn. Yes, that turn is at 90 degrees. That would be a turn right 90. Now, watch me. Can you guys see it from way back there?
Yeah.
If I say, here, if I turn right, look at the choices I have.
No, I can't see.
What number is this? Can you guys see it?
45.
45, 60, 90, 180. Now, let me do it again, but this time, I want you to watch this line. It shows you an example of what it is. Now, you gotta listen too. If I go over the top of 45, look at the angle. It, instead of going straight down, which is 90, I'm gonna put 90 over here. Someone that's really good in math might recognize it. See that angle? See it? See the angle?
45 degree angle.
Yes, you're right with me. 45. Anyone know what half of 90 is? 1/2 of 90. Well, you're getting closer. You're warmer. 40, 45. So, if I kept going straight, look at that, guys. If I kept going straight, it would be straight like that. If I went 90, it's here. Now do you see why 45 is half of it? It's half of 90. So watch what happens if I would have left it at 45. Here it is. Finally. I'm going to make a mistake here, guys. Watch the mistake. Here's what we want. We want to go 100. You know how I know it's 100, by the way?
Says it.
You're paying attention, aren't you? Each line is 100 pixels long. So you're going to have to pay attention to the instructions. The instructions are up above. So it says, this says move forward 100, turn right 45, and then move 100. 100 and 100, but watch the angle that it goes. Are you ready? Carson, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Check this out. You see what happened?
Yeah. It went down too
What angle did it go at?
45 degrees. 45.
Yeah, 45. See? And if I want it to go, I need to change
To 90.
to 90. Yeah.
What's the right 100 then? Let's take the
So.
100 one.
Okay, we will. Ta-da! Hold on, let's replay. If I would have gone like this, 120, now I'm going to reset. Is it going to go less than this or further than that? Oh, you're with me. Oh, ready? Here it is. Didn't work, did it? Yes, I did. Now, this is the ultimate question of the day. If someone gets this gonna just like blow me over. But guess what? I'll get right back up. This is gonna really be something.
What?
If I, ready? If I choose 180, if I go that way, what is 180? Is it Caden? You had your hand up first.
It's going a straight line.
Is it gonna go straight beyond or is it gonna go straight back? Which one?
Back. Straight back.
You blew me over. You blew me over. I think you did. Watch this. Let's see. We gotta see. Ready? I'm going straight across, and then I'm going to do a 180.
I'm gonna say
That is a 180. Well done. Well done. Awesome. So that's my little. That's my little lesson on angles, and you're going to need to. You're going to need to be able to do these things. Carson, you with me? So here, you need to go. I think it tells you again. Do you see where it tells you how many pixels to use?
Yes, 100. Yeah.
Yes, and what degree?
90.
Yep. And does it say, yeah, all angles? You just have to know left from right. You guys know left from right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go to make a square. Oh, wow. Now I am excited for you, because I think you got this. But if you don't, it's just like falling down, get right back up. If you try it 3 times today and it doesn't work after 3 times,
Go around your table. Walk around your
walk
desk.
around your table. Sit down, try it again. All right, log in, let's go. Let's log in.
Walk around my table. Because the tail will cut.